Hey everybody, welcome back to Chill Tech Zero. Long time no see. So I wanted to do a video because I've noticed that nobody is talking about this really cool feature that is coming to the iPhone this fall. This is going to be with iOS 17. I'm currently running the beta software and I haven't seen anybody using this feature or even talking about it. In fact, if you go to Apple's website and you go to iOS 17 to look at features about it, it's not even really talked about it on their own webpage for some reason. Apple is known for giving features and then not really talking about it. So as you play with the software, you actually find different features, and this is one of them. So the feature that I really love that I want to show you all is this. It's live wallpapers now on the lock screen. Finally. I really love using this with the Apple Watch. Every time I raise the Apple Watch to check the time, I'll either see a picture of like my son's face smiling at me or whatever picture it is that I have set as my live wallpaper. Every time I raise to wake it will automatically start playing. And of course from there, you can swipe up and get right to your home screen. So it is such a smooth transition, but I love that my phone can just be lying on the desk somewhere. I pick it up and it just automatically plays. And this looks really sleek, really nice. I love this feature. This is one of the most exciting features actually. And I think this looks super cool. Let me show you another one that I made. Okay, so here's one that I made the last time I was in New York. Just snapped a picture while driving. It's really subtle, but you notice it in person whenever it starts to play, every time you lock and unlock your phone. So it's just a real small feature, but it's one that I'm really excited about. And I'm really glad that Apple actually brought this here. I'll show you one last one, but yeah, to me, this just makes your iPhone that much cooler. Definitely have been using, of course, the Fold 4, which is incredible, S23 Ultra, which of course is incredible. But I've definitely been spending a whole lot of time lately with the iPhone for the last couple of weeks. And of course, the iPhone is amazing. So there's a lot of cool features with this also, and this is a new one that's up and coming that I'm really excited about and wanted to share with you all. I'll show you one last one that I actually made. Okay, so this is actually the one I was telling you about that I have set on my Apple Watch. Yeah, my guy right there. Yeah, so every time I actually raise my Apple Watch to check the time, I get my son just smiling, and it's such a cool wallpaper. But I love that I can now have this on the iPhone screen. Now this is also going to be coming to iPad, so I could just imagine that's going to look super cool on the even bigger display of the iPad. And I think it's going to be cool every time you just raise your device to use it. It's lying somewhere, you pick it up. It's little small subtle touches like this that kind of makes the difference when you're using technology or software, but it's the details of things. And I think Apple completely nailed this feature. And of course, they should have been brought this here, but I'm glad that it's here regardless. And it's one that I definitely intend to make sure that I use regularly because yeah, this is really cool. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. It's been a while. Hope to start posting more videos. And yeah, I'll catch you all inside of the next one.